Give it a bump. Hello world, it is Canada Day. That's right, it's Canada Day long weekend. And what does that mean? Some overlanding. I hope you enjoy this. Let's get to it. Got Chantal in front of me with her Jeep and her Canadian flag. Oh shit, eh? I think you can make it. You just gotta be hard left, eh? How's that? That's probably deepest water you've been in.
Oh, I'm going, man. It's awesome.
Yeah? Oh, lots of room. That should be good. What is that noise?
I think I need a new belt.
Oh.
Either that or I got one of my tensioners is starting to go bad. No. I don't believe I've been here before, no.
It's a nice view though, I will
Oh,
admit.
you should see this in the fall when its colors.
Oh man, the foliage.
It's beautiful in here in the fall.
What do you think of that?
It's beautiful, eh?
It is.
Yeah.
Well, good thing that some people have like the decency to have a garbage pail,
something.
but it's still not
Left
big.
here.
Left here, yeah. Nice. Oh, there's some liquid. That's gross. That's such a beautiful view. You can even get there by foot on the Dobson Trail, which is kind of cool. So check it out whenever you can. What's up? Oh sh. So turns out that Rob's what belt was it?
Power steering.
Power steering belt came off.
I hope it just came off and didn't break.
Me too. Oh, okay, it looks like it just
Fell
came
off.
off.
The water must have pushed your tensioner down.
Here, Ryan.
Use that right here. Yeah.
Yeah, no, he's got a shackle now.
Well, we found some more flat and dry ground, so that's good. 2 hours later, we got the piece that we needed, hoping it fits, and then we're gonna put the pulley on and the belt and have that fun stuff. Nothing like a trailside repair, but we're all good. We are on our way to go back into the trail. Might be familiar, except we're not going down. We are going up. Give it a bump. Back it up, maybe go a little bit more driver. A little bit harder. Nice. Nice. Yeah. I guess being the cameraman might have some benefits. I'm gonna hop in with you. Thank you. Whew. Well, we're gonna start heading our way towards our camping spot. I think it's about time for us to get some food, set up our camps. Let's get right to it. I had a feeling he was gonna go down there. I don't know why. I think the fire's gonna be there.
Yeah.
I might.
You can block off there too.
Well, that's what I might do. Is I might actually back into it. Yeah.
Oh,
So we're all pretty well set up at this point. It's been a long day, you know, especially with the repairs we had to do, last minute repairs, and just all that fun stuff. So, oh, she's having fun.
Yeah, she is.
On the body. Every time it's
Not a
more hours.
Oh,
You're back away from the tree.
Oh, man. My is going to be in paradise next one. That's nice.
So you need to be